Hi, welcome to this course. I am Colonel Shabbar Shahid, an Army veteran and your instructor. Let me give you an overview of what all we shall discuss in this course. This course is spread over 3 sections, not related with each other. The first section covers the basic concepts and fundamentals of finance. Then in section 2, we discuss about how to make our money grow through various investment avenues. And then in the last section, we talk about the basic concepts applicable to business, whether it is a small business or a large one. We begin our discussion with a very simple thing, that is inflation, and how does it affect our purchasing power. Thereafter, we shall talk about the concept of beating inflation. Then we shall take up some conceptual differences between savings and investment. Most of the people think that savings and investment are the same things, but it is not so. Then we shall talk about the dilemma of risk and investment. After that, we shall try and understand what is risk and how to analyze risk. Thereafter, we shall talk about liquidity of your personal assets as well as the overall liquidity in the environment. Then we shall talk something about the time value of money. And towards the end of section 1, we shall talk about personal debt and how to avoid getting into a debt trap. Then in section 2, we shall talk about how to make our money grow through various investment avenues. Then something about the simple interest and compound interest. We shall talk about the stated annual returns and the effective annual returns. What are they and what is the difference between them? Then we shall talk about some ways of converting our money into wealth through various investments. Then we shall talk about some real life considerations, because life in reality is different from theory. Then we shall talk about classifying the personal investments into various categories or various classes. Then something about bonds. When we talk about bonds, we shall talk about the par value, the coupon rate, the market price, and the bond yield. Thereafter, we shall talk about the stock market and some other investment avenues in very brief. Thereafter, we shall talk about the significance of risk and diversification in investment. Then in section 3, which is devoted towards business or entrepreneurs, we shall talk about some financial concepts applicable to entrepreneurs. Then the capital and the source of capital. Where do we get capital from? And then we shall talk about the differences between debt and equity. What is debt, what is equity, and what is the difference between them? Then we shall talk about the cost of capital. Remember, whenever you invest money or a capital into your business, that capital is not free. There is a cost attached to that capital. What is that cost of capital? We shall see that in detail. And then we shall talk about the significance of debt and equity, or the debt equity ratio, or something called as financial leverage. And then the concept of turnover in a business. Thereafter, we shall talk about the profit, earnings, EBIT, EBITDA, return on investment. What are these things and what are the differences between them? All right. So shall we begin with the course?